and welcome to Cooking with Conchita. Today I am making some hot chocolate. Well, I'm making Mexican hot chocolate because we are using this type of chocolate which is called Chocolate Abuelita. You can find it at different stores and also in different presentations. This is the one that I'm going to be using today. And this one is a powder mix. And this is my favorite because sometimes you just want to make 1 cup. So what you do, you just warm up the milk and then pour some of this mix into the milk and mix it, and there you have 1 cup of hot chocolate. I'm going to show you the inside of this package, but I am also going to show you a picture of the original tablets. Okay, those are the originals that you can find almost anywhere. And this is another brand that you can use. It's called Chocolate Ibarra. It is really good too. I am using the Ace Plus blender today to make this hot chocolate, and I think, but I'm not sure, I think you can use any blender that can mix anything that is hot, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is just pour the milk, and make sure that you don't go over the max line. You just wanna go a little bit under the max capacity. Now you can add the chocolate, and remember this chocolate is sweet already, okay? It's kind of sweet and a little bit of bitter, like the bitter taste. So just try to add as much as you can if you like it very sweet, and if you don't, just add less pieces. Cover the blender and then press the button where it says soup, and you need to press it twice because you want it in the second setting, and after that just press the button where it says start. So let's say that you forgot to put more chocolate into it and you want to add more. You just press the button where it says start, press it again, and it's going to show up P. That means that the blender is on pause. You can go ahead and open it up, add more chocolate, and then press start again. So after you press start, just leave it like that, don't touch it. As you can see, the temperature starts going up. I want you to be very careful because it gets really hot. So I don't want you to touch it anymore until it's done. So far, this is the temperature and this is the time that we have left. And here it is, my friends. This is how fast and easy you can make some Mexican hot chocolate at home. It is really good. I know if you try this recipe, you are really going to like it. And also, please don't forget to go and check out the other recipe that I have to make ice cream. I am using the same blender, and it's going to be under the description box below. I want to thank you so much for spending time with me. I really do hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. God bless, and I hope I'll see you next time.